What's up, world? Axel calls. This is Axel talking. I'm in the middle of dinner. It's good. It is Wendy's. Anyway, I just want you to know, world, well, actually, people who live in Roxas and the general area of 2 miles away from 2 miles away from William Allen School on Charles Street in Rochester, New Hampshire. Anyone in like a 2 mile radius of that, give me a post on my website. I'm having openings for Roxas in my actual cosplay, because you gotta admit, doing this thing alone can be boring. Now, you have to have the costume in hand as well as the wig. I don't have the wig. I didn't plan ahead for this. Because the only reason why I am Axel is because I'm planning to dye my hair red and then style it. When I do that, then you can see my face. Until then, hood is all you get. Anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Oh, yes. Also this. Wendy's rocks.